everyone, Antoinette here. Welcome to Decorating Aunt's Place, formerly Aunt's Place. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, you know I appreciate you. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to put together a tiered tray, which is actually a tiered cake stand, and I'm going to dress it up for spring, but really it will be in an Easter theme. So I'm going to dive right into it. I'm taking all these pieces that I have sort of accumulated and collected over the years. Most of them are made of resin, and they're just little pieces that my son was either gifted when he was young for Easter, or they were gifted to me by my nieces and nephews when they were younger. So I've kept them all over the years, and I think I'd like to display them all together in this one little display here. So I'm going to start with the bottom tray, and I'm going to be using these white scallop dishes on each tier, which I just place inside, just on top. I'm going to take this yellow little covered bowl with this cute bunny on it, and I'm going to place him near the back here, right on top. Then I'm going to take this cute little piece. It's a peach colored little bunny, and this actually used to be a mini snow globe, and unfortunately the snow globe broke. I stepped on it. So it broke, but I still think this is cute, and I'm going to be using this. And I will just place it, I think, over here, sort of opposite of the other piece. And then I purchased these. You may have seen these. I showed them on a shopping haul video that I did, and I got them at Dollarama. And I'm just going to simply sort of place that like so. No, I'm sorry. I will place this, I think, going the other way so that it fills in the space here. And I did have to bend the stem because it's really quite long. So I'm going to put this little orange plastic egg right in here where the snow globe used to be. And I'm choosing the orange because it goes really nicely with the peach that the bunny is wearing. And then I have this cute little felt orange flower. No idea where I got that, but I'll just place that there to tie in the orange. And then just some colored little styrofoam Easter eggs. They're ornaments, so you normally would hang them. But I think I'm going to use them as fillers and put them over here. And I'll try to get one standing and one going down. So there we go. So that was easy. That's our first tier. Then I'm going to take another scalloped white dish and put it right on top. And I'm going to start that second tier with another one of these. And I'm going to place it so that it's going in the opposite direction of the one that was on the lower tray. And then I have this Easter sign. Now I know that this is meant to be a spring tiered tray. Unfortunately, I don't have a little sign that says spring. I could have made one. I did not. I'm running out of time. These Easter videos are really adding up very quickly. So I'm just going to use this. It's very pretty. And I think I'm just going to place it right on top. And it holds our flowers or our stemmed eggs really nicely. So we'll do that. And then I've got this tiny little bunny that I'm going to place inside. And even tinier, I doubt you can even see it, it's a little chick. He's so cute. So we're going to put him right next to our little bunny. And then I've got this cute little tiny plastic pink egg and place him in there. And then some more eggs, just like the ones we have on the bottom, but different colors. I'm going to sort of place them here to fill in our space. There we go. So before I start the final tier, I am going to show you a little clip of each YouTuber's channel who is participating in this collaboration. This video is part of a collaboration called the Spring Tiered Tray Collab. So let's go to that and then we'll finish off our tray with our final tier. Alrighty, I am really honored to be taking part in this collaboration. The channels that I just showed you are amazing creators. They are mostly DIYers. I'm mostly a decorating channel, and I would have loved to have done a little DIY for this particular video. Unfortunately, time was not on my side. However, I'm just so grateful to these amazing ladies and to Sonja most of all for giving me the opportunity to join in this collaboration. I'm thrilled. So let's get to our final tier, our final scalloped tray, which is Bone China by Mikasa. I doubt you can see that, but that's what I'm using today. And I'm going to place that on top. And the top tier is going to be very, very simple. So there's this one piece here, this little girl bunny. She's holding a little Easter egg here with a tiny bunny on it. And then there's this little basket here. So because she is a bit low and I'm going to put her at the back, I'm just going to put her on a bit of a riser. This is just a glass ramekin that I'm using. And I'll place this here and then place this on top. And because she is wearing blue, I'm going to fill her basket with some little blue plastic eggs I have. Really inexpensive. Just place those in. And hopefully that looks okay. And then this bunny, she might be my favorite. She is so pretty. She's wearing a yellow dress, holding yellow flowers. She's got this cute sun hat on, and she's also got this little sort of pot here, which is a pink flower, and this was filled with candies when I got it as a gift. So I'm going to place her right here. And I'm hoping that these two don't sort of fight each other as far as the look here. I hope that looks okay. I will check it at the end. And to cover our little glass ramekin so that you don't see that our piece is on top of it, I'm just going to simply place a blue egg that matches all the other little filler eggs that I have on the other tiers. I'll just place that there. And this is our spring/Easter tiered tray. So I think it looks very colorful and whimsical, and I personally really like it. I think it's so cute. I think it's the type of piece that maybe your young children or grandchildren would probably really enjoy looking at and wanting to get their fingers on. That's sort of what it reminds me of. Let me know what you think. I'm always curious to know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. If you haven't already subscribed, kindly do so. And thank you again to Sonja and all the other ladies that are part of this collaboration. I had a lot of fun and I'm really, really honored to be a part of this. Thank you so much. Happy spring, everyone.